In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete bounced emails in Zoho campaigns. If you're managing campaigns in Zoho, you'll know that handling bounced emails is a crucial part of maintaining a clean and effective email list. Bounced emails can negatively affect your sender reputation, leading to a higher chance of your emails ending up in spam folders. Let's walk through how you can identify which email addresses have bounced during a specific campaign and take steps to remove them from your contact list. First things first, to see which addresses have bounced, you'll want to navigate to the Contacts section within Zoho Campaigns. This is essentially your hub for all email list management tasks. Once you're there, look for the Export Contacts option. This function allows you to extract data and get a more detailed look at specific subsets of your mailing list. Within the export options, you'll find several choices, but for our purpose, you should select Bounced Contacts. This will target just those emails that weren't successfully delivered in your campaigns. The next step involves filtering how you'd like these bounced emails organized. Zoho gives you flexibility here. You can filter by criteria such as email address or by the date they bounced. This is incredibly helpful if you're trying to track the performance of recent campaigns or if you're analyzing specific time periods to see patterns in your bounced rates. Once you have chosen a filtering method, you can also select specific fields you want to include in your report, ensuring you have all the information you need for in-depth analysis. After setting the filters and fields to your liking, go ahead and export the report. This file is now ready for you to review and make informed decisions about which addresses need to be removed. When dealing with bounced emails, it's generally recommended to opt for a regular cleanup routine. By doing this, you'll ensure better deliverability rates and help avoid potential issues with email service providers. As you work through your exported list, pay attention to any patterns or recurring addresses. Some bounced emails might just be temporary setbacks. Perhaps the recipient's inbox was full, but others might indicate inactive or non-existent accounts. Keep an eye on this distinction, as it will help you maintain a healthier database. There you have it, a straightforward way to deal with bounced emails in your Zoho campaigns. Regularly cleaning your email list can drastically improve your campaign's success rate and ensure that your messages reach valid, engaged audience members. I hope you found this guide helpful, and that managing your email lists becomes a breeze. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more useful tips and tutorials.